Welcome to Mike Golden Games and welcome to another Jeep video. So in this one, we got my new 2004 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon and we're gonna use this properly. It's the AMMO NYC Hoseless spray. So let's get this thing pumped up. And the last one I did, it was at negative 15 degrees or negative 20 degrees. And that was just to mess around, see what would happen. Now it's about 35 to 40 degrees. It's warmed up quite a bit in the last few days. So first, I'm just gonna spray down the frame. So let's make sure this is pumped up, and then let's go in here. Oh, look at that. It's working a lot better in this type of weather. So spray it a little more in there. And you want to really get inside here because it always seems to rust out there. So we're just going to spray in here. Definitely get inside here. And just so you know, I've got the Frothe, which is the standard cleaning solution, plus the winter booster, which supposedly eliminates the salt effects so it doesn't rust out. So let's keep spraying this Jeep down. Right in here. Then on the back bumper here, let's just spray that down. Up in here where the little grommets are, that tends to rust out as well. So you just want to get inside all up in here. And over on the back panel here as well, those tend to rust out as well. As you can see, there's a little surface rust, nothing too major at the moment. Once you got it applied, you're gonna get your microfiber cloth and then just carefully kind of move it and kind of rotate it as you move. And we're just gonna really get inside the crevices here. And then just carefully wipe as you go. Now on the other side, just to show you want to get inside the crevices of the door sill, just to make sure you get everything surrounded by this stuff. You want to just make sure everything gets coated. That way, you know, basically these are where all the salt likes to hang out and basically just kill your Jeep or any vehicle. All right guys, I guess I'm gonna leave the video here. It was a pretty quick one. Let's do a quick walk around before I end it though. Let's just see what she looks like. I also wiped down the hood as well. I sprayed it about halfway, just to, you know, get a little on there just to see what it looks like, because it was still pretty clean. They detailed it last night at the dealership, but she is looking good. I did notice there is some rust forming here, so I'm definitely gonna need to get on that as quick as possible. We got the rocker panels done. We got this all laid on with the soap. So hopefully it'll help, you know, clean off all that salt. And then the rear end, usually a bunch of salt kind of flips up and just covers the backside. Can't really see my arm movements, but usually, if you guys know, as you can see, there's a bunch of salt on there. There we go. So you do want to make sure you get this cleaned off pretty good. As you can see, I still have some soap on there, but I think I'll leave it on there for now, let it air dry. But I did go around the edges and just kind of, you know, like I said, wiped it. Just kind of go like this. As you go, you just kind of move up and rotate just to make sure you don't start scratching the paint. Looks like I still have some salt on here. As long as it's not touching in here, it should be fine. Looks like I might need to get some more water sometime and get it washed down a little more, because you can still see some salt deposits. But and then inside, like I said, the door sills, just make sure you get that hose down. As you can see, this is where all the salt likes to rest, and it'll just rot that out. So look at that. So there's some surface rust, not horrible at all. But like I said, I need to get on that before it turns into my other Jeep. Now with the frame, I just sprayed it down. I didn't hose it down. I just wanted to get it on there, get it a little soapy, and we'll let it air dry for now. So if you guys have any suggestions for other ways or a better way to use AMMO NYC, let me know down in the comments below. I really do want to hear from you. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time. Maybe consider subscribing if you haven't already. Take it easy, guys.